what up guys, Dr. JazzMan1 here. Hope y'all enjoyed y'all New Year's Eve and day. Today I'm going to be cooking up some pasta again. This time, I'm going to cook this. This is Rana Pasta. I've been watching these commercials of it. I wondered, this sounds pretty good. What I meant to say was, I've seen one of the commercials of the Rana Pasta, and I thought to myself, that would be good. Maybe I should try and cook this. So first all you gotta do is put 6 quarts of water to a gentle boil, which I just did. Well, I just put the water in there, so it won't be another minute until it boils up. Then I'm gonna put some salt into it. Guess what kind it is? Italian sausage. Well, as you can see, there's a little bubbles in there. It's not falling up yet, but I think it's better we put a little bit of salt in there. Well, and be sure not to put in too much. Now, just like this. Doing that for a few minutes. There you go. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to put some this olive oil, so you know the pasta won't stick. See that? I think I should bring it up a little bit closer. Okay, what I did just now is just I put a top on the okay, what I did now is I just put a top on this, so it will like I think it's how you'll boil it easier or something like that. I don't know, but unless I do this, that'll be good. I think the bubbles will come up after that. Look at that. It's boiling. Down a little bit lower, just in case. Uh-oh. Yikes. I think I got too close to it. Let's try it again. See that? See that? It just boiled. Alright. I think we're good. Now, we gonna open the Rana Pasta. Alright. Now, let's pour in the pasta. Now just gently, gently. There we go. Okay, due to too much film that I had on my camera, I was unable to film the rest of this. So it's already cooked. So now I got a pot heated up with some oil and salt. So, yeah. Okay, let me get back to this. Oh, now let's put some pepper in this. Okay. Next up, the tomato. Some tomatoes in there. There we go. There we go. Wow. Okay. Next up, we got some sauce. First, we're going to put the pasta in. Then we're going to put in this. This is carbonara sauce. Okay. So first, the pasta. Uh-oh. Okay. Next, let me just shake this up a little bit. There we go. Always make sure that when you use, anytime you use some kind of sauce, you always gotta put it in the refrigerator. Kind of like this one, Marinara. Here's another one. I'll go get that. See how good that is? Look at that. My mom was in there watching a judge show, something like that. Court TV show or something like that. Make sure this stuff gets hot and ready. Look at that. Look at this. This ought to be good. You can see the bubbles coming out. I want to do this. See that? Well, make sure you don't burn the sauce. Because if you do, you will have a messy day. You know what I'm saying? This is great. I was able to finish my pasta. I mean, only took like 4 minutes. Now, we're gonna see how it is. Magnificent. Try Rana Pastas. I'm sure you'll love it. Well, if you love this recipe, be sure to check out my other cooking videos. I'll be sure to make some more of these, including more vlogs. Well, I guess that's all for now. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the subscription button below, or check out my other previous videos, and check my Instagram. Well, I guess that's all for now, like I said, so keep it rocking.